Hello student, it's our third lecture about central tendency. Today we will understand mode. Mode is actually most frequent value that occur in dataset. So how to find mode? Sometimes dataset contain multiple modes and sometimes dataset contain no mode. Multiple modes means a number occur multiple times and same number identical number counts. And no mode means that every number contain individual once single count or equal counts. So in this sense there will be no mode. So this is the given data set. So we considered 5 4 2 3 2 1 5 4 5. So this is the table that is given of the mode. So we want to count the most occurring value from this table. We have arranged the table in descending order. For this, for easy demonstration, mode representation is the most common values. Also, in this scenario, we have repeated value as given as it is 5. The most repeated value in the set is 5, so the mode is 5. And also we can count the mode 3, means 5 occur 3 times. Thank you so much. Happy learning.